Hi students, welcome to Free Tutorial. In this video, let's see Class 8 Science Curiosity, Chapter 10 Light, Mirrors and Lenses. I have prepared page-wise question and answers. It is very much useful for your examination. So this one is exam special. First, let's see 1 mark questions. Question number 1. What is a spherical mirror? Answer. A mirror whose reflecting surfaces are spherical are called spherical mirrors. Question number 2. Name the two types of spherical mirrors. Answer. Concave mirror and convex mirror. Question number 3. What is a concave mirror? Answer. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface curves inward is called a concave mirror. Question number 4. What is a convex mirror? Answer. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface curves outward is called a convex mirror. Question number 5. Which mirror has a reflecting surface curved inward? Answer. Concave mirror. Question number 6. Which mirror has a reflecting surface curved outward? Answer. Convex mirror. Question number 7. What happens to the image in the inner surface of a spoon? Answer. The image appears inverted. Question number 8. What happens to the image in the outer surface of a spoon? Answer. The image appears erect and smaller. Question number 9. What is the shape of a spherical mirror? Answer. It is shaped like a part of hollow sphere. Question number 10. What is lateral inversion? Answer. The left and right sides of an image are interchanged in a mirror is called lateral inversion. Question number 11. Which part is used in the activity to observe curved mirror images? Answer. A shiny metallic spoon. Question number 12. What type of mirror in the inner surface of a spoon similar to? Answer. Concave mirror. Question number 13. What type of mirror is the outward surface of a spoon similar to? Answer. Convex mirror. Question number 14. What happens to the image when the spoon is moved away from the face? Answer. The size of the image changes when the spoon is moved away from the face. Question number 15. What material is usually used as a reflecting coating on mirrors? Answer. Aluminium. Question number 16. What shape does the outline of a spherical mirror have? Answer. Circular shape. Question number 17. Which mirror always produces a smaller image? Answer. Convex mirror. Question number 18. Which mirror can produce an inverted image? Answer. Concave mirror. Question number 19. What happens to the image in a convex mirror? Answer. It appears erect and smaller. Question number 20. What type of image is formed when the reflective coating is applied on the outer surface? Answer. Concave mirror. Question number 21. What is an incident ray? Answer. The ray of light that falls on a mirror is called an incident ray. Question number 22. What is a reflected ray? Answer. The ray of light that comes back from the mirror is called the reflected ray. Question number 23. What is the normal? Answer. A line drawn perpendicular that is 90 degrees to the mirror at the point of incident is called the normal. Question number 24. Define angle of incident. Answer. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called the angle of incident. Question number 25. Define angle of reflection. Answer. The angle between the reflected rays and the normal is called the angle of reflection. Question number 26. Which mirror always forms an image of the same as the object? Answer. Plane mirror. Question number 27. Which mirror forms a smaller image than the object? Answer. Convex mirror. Question number 28. Which mirror can produce an enlarged image? Answer. Concave mirror. Question number 29. What is lateral inversion? Answer. The left and right sides of an image appear reversed in a mirror is called a lateral inversion. Question number 30. Which mirror is used as side view mirrors in vehicles? Answer. Convex mirror. Question number 31. Which mirror is used by dentists to see teeth clearly? Answer. Concave mirror. Question number 32. Which mirror provides a wider field of view? Answer. Convex mirror. Question number 33. What happens to the image in a concave mirror when the object is very close to it? Answer. The image becomes erect and enlarged. Question number 34. What happens to the image in a concave mirror when the object is far away? Answer. The image becomes inverted. Question number 35. What happens of image is formed by a convex mirror? Answer. Erect and diminished image. Question number 36. Where are convex mirrors installed on roads? Answer. At road intersections and sharp bends. Question number 37. What is the main mirror used in reflecting telescope? Answer. A large concave mirror. Question number 38. What happens when the incident ray falls along the normal? Answer. Both the angle of incidence and angle of reflection become 0. Question number 39. Are the laws of reflection applicable to spherical mirror? Answer. Yes, the laws of reflection are applicable to both plane and spherical mirrors. Question number 40. What happens when parallel rays falls on a mirror? Answer. The reflected rays remain parallel. The reflected rays remain parallel. Question number 41. What happens when parallel rays falls on a concave mirror? Answer. The reflected rays converge, that is come together. Question number 42. What happens when parallel rays fall on a convex mirror? Answer. The reflected rays diverge, that is spread out. Question number 43. Which mirror causes parallel rays to converge? Answer. Concave mirror. Question number 44. Which mirror causes parallel rays to diverge? Answer. Convex mirror. Question number 45. What type of surface do spherical mirrors have? Answer. A curved reflecting surface. Question number 46. Which mirror converges light rays? Answer. Concave mirror. Question number 47. Which mirror diverges light rays? Answer. Convex mirror. Question number 48. What happens when sunlight is reflected by a concave mirror? Answer. The light gets concentrated at a small point. Question number 49. What is formed when sunlight is concentrated by a concave mirror? Answer. A bright spot. Question number 50. Why does paper start burning in this activity? Answer. Because the concentrated sunlight produces more heat. Question number 51. What are solar concentrators? Answer. Devices that concentrate sunlight into a smaller area. Question number 52. What is a lens? Answer. A lens is a transparent material with curved surfaces. Question number 53. What materials are lenses usually made of? Answer. Glass or plastic. Question number 54. Name the two types of lenses. Answer. Convex lens and concave lenses. Question number 55. Which lens is thicker at the middle than the edges? Answer. Convex lens. Question number 56. Which lens is thinner at the middle than at the edges? Answer. Concave lens. Question number 57. What happens to light when it passes through a thin transparent glass plate? Answer. The light passes through without changing direction significantly. Question number 58. Which lens is called a converging lens? Answer. Convex lens. 59. Which lens is called a diverging lens? Answer. Concave lens. 60. Which lens always forms an erect image? Answer. Concave lens. Which instrument is used to produce multiple parallel beams of light in the activity? Answer. A comb with a torch. Question number 62. Name one device that uses lens. Answer. Camera. Question number 63. Which natural organ in our body works like a lens? Answer. Eye. Question number 64. What is used to hold the comb upright in the activity? Answer. Paperclip. Question number 65. What type of lens is present in the human eye? Answer. Convex lens. Next, two more questions and answers. Question number 1. What are spherical mirrors? Answer. Spherical mirrors are mirrors whose reflecting surface is curved and forms a part of hollow sphere. There are two types of spherical mirrors. One is concave mirror and the next one is convex mirror. Question number 2. Write two differences between concave and convex mirror. Concave mirror curved inward, convex mirror curved outward. Concave mirror can form large inverted images. Convex mirror always forms small erect images. Question number 3. Why do you observe when you look at the inner surface of a spoon? Answer. What do you observe when you look at the inner surface of a spoon? Answer. The inner curved surface acts like a concave mirror. The image may appear inverted when the spoon is held close to the face. Question number 4. What do you observe when you look at the outer surface of a spoon? Answer. The outer surface act like a convex mirror. The image appears erect and smaller in size. Question number 5. How are spherical mirrors made? Answer. They are made by grinding and polishing a flat glass surface into a curved shape and coating it with a reflective layer such as aluminium. Question number 6. Why are spherical mirrors called so? Answer. They are called spherical mirrors because their reflecting surface is curved like a part of a hollow sphere. Question number 7. What happens when you slowly move the spoon away from your face while observing the image? Answer. The image changes in size and position. It may become smaller or change its orientation. Question number 8. Write two observations when using a spoon as a mirror. Answer. The inner curved surface produces an inverted image. The outer curved surface produces an erect and smaller image. Question number 9. How can we identify concave and convex mirror from the side view? Answer. If the mirror surface bent inward, it is a concave mirror. If the mirror surface bulged out, it is a convex mirror. Question number 10. Why do images appear different in curved mirrors compared to plane mirrors? Answer. Curved mirrors change the direction of light differently because the surfaces are curved. So the images can vary in size and orientation. Question number 11. State the laws of reflection. Answer. The angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incident lie in the same plane. Question number 12. Write two uses of concave mirrors. Answer. Reflectors in torches and car headlights. Dentists use them to see enlarged images of teeth. Question number 13. Why are convex mirror used in side view mirrors in vehicles? Answer. Convex mirrors provide a wide field, that is, convex mirror provide a wide field of view and form erect and smaller images, helping drivers see more traffic behind. Question number 14. How does the image change in a concave mirror when the object moves away? Answer. The image first becomes enlarged and then becomes smaller and inverted as the object moves farther away. Question number 15. Write two differences between plane mirror and a convex mirror. Answer. Plane mirror forms an image, that is, the first forms image of same size. Convex mirror forms smaller image. Plane mirror field of view is limited and convex mirror field of view is wider. Question number 16. Why are convex mirror used in shops or supermarkets? Answer. Convex mirrors allows people to see a larger area, so they help in monitoring customers and preventing theft. Question number 17. Why are reflectors in torches concave in shape? Answer. Concave mirrors focus light into a strong beam which helps the torch produces bright light. Question number 18. What is the point of incident? And answer. The point where the incident ray strikes the mirror is called the points of incident. Question number 19. What is meant by spherical mirrors? Answer. Mirrors that are the parts of spherical surface are called spherical mirrors. They are concave and convex mirror. Question number 20. What happens when multiple parallel beams of light falls on different mirrors? Plane mirror, reflected beams remain parallel. Concave mirror, reflected beams converge, and convex mirror, reflected beams diverge. Question number 21. What is meant by convergence of light rays? Answer. When reflected rays come closer and meet at a point, it is called convergence. Question number 22. What is meant by divergence of light rays? Answer. When reflected rays spread out in different directions, it is called divergence. Question number 23. What is the difference between plane mirror reflection and spherical mirror reflection? Answer. Plane mirror reflection, reflected rays remain parallel. Spherical mirror reflection, rays may converge or diverge depending on the mirror shape. Question number 24. What happens when light passes through a convex lens? Answer. The convex lens bends the parallel rays of light and brings them together at a point. This process is called convergence. Question number 25. What happens when light passes through concave lens? Answer. The concave lens spread out or diverges the parallel rays of light. Question number 27. What is the purpose of using two books in activity 10.10? That is, two books are used to hold the glass plate or lens upright during the experiment. Question number 28. How does the image change when an object is moved farther from a convex lens? Answer. The image first becomes inverted and larger and then it becomes smaller as the distance increases. Question number 29. Why are lenses important in our life? Answer. Lenses help us see clearly and are used in devices such as eyeglasses, cameras, telescope and microscope. Next, 3 more questions and answers. Question number 1. Explain the activity using a shiny spoon to observe images. Answer. Take a shiny metallic spoon and hold it near your face. Observe the images in the inner curved surface. The image appears inverted. Now, look at the outward surface of the spoon. The image appears erect and smaller. This shows that curved surfaces act like spherical mirrors. Question number 2. Explain concave and convex mirror with the definitions. Answer. Concave mirror. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface curves inward is called a concave mirror. Convex mirror. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface curves outward is called a convex mirror. Both are types of spherical mirrors. Question number 3. How can we distinguish between concave and convex mirror? Answer. Place the mirrors on a table with the reflecting surfaces facing upward. Look from the side of the mirrors. If the surface curves inward, it is a concave mirror. If the surface bulges outward, it is a convex mirror. Question number 4. Explain how spherical mirrors are made. Answer. Spherical mirrors are made by grinding and polishing a flat glass surface into a curved shape. A thin reflecting coating such as aluminium is spread on the curved surface. Depending on where the coating is applied, the mirror becomes either concave or convex. Question number 5. Describe the characteristics of images formed by the inner and outer surfaces of a spoon. Answer. The inner curved surface acts like a concave mirror and may form an inverted image. The outer curved surface acts like a convex mirror and forms an erect and smaller image. The size and orientation of image change depending on the distance. Question number 6. Describe activity 10.3 to observe images formed by the mirror. Answer. Take a concave mirror and convex mirror. Place a small object in front of them. Observe the images formed in each mirror. Move the object slowly away from the mirror. Note changes in image size, orientation and position. Question number 7. Write three differences between concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror, curved inward. Convex mirror, curved outward. Concave mirror can form enlarged images. Convex mirror always forms smaller images. Concave mirror, image may be inverted. Convex mirror, always erect. Question number 8. Explain the experiment to verify the laws of reflection. Answer. Place a plane mirror on a white paper. Shine a beam of light using a torch through a slit into the mirror. Draw the incident ray and a reflected ray. Draw a normal line at 90 degree to the mirror. Measure the angle of incident and angle of reflection. The experiment shows that angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. For this question, you want to draw the diagram. Diagram is necessary. Question number 9. Write three applications of mirror used in daily life. Concave mirrors are used in torches and by dentists. Convex mirror are used as side view mirrors in vehicles. Plane mirrors are used as looking mirrors. Question number 10. Explain how can we identify the type of mirror by looking at the image. Answer. If the image is same size and erect, it is a plane mirror. If the image is always smaller and erect, it is a convex mirror. If the image is sometimes enlarged and sometimes inverted, it is a concave mirror. Question number 11. Write three uses of convex mirror. Answer. Use as a side view mirror in vehicles. Answer. Installed at road bends and intersections for safety. Used in shops and supermarket for surveillance. Question number 12. Explain lateral inversion with an example. Answer. Lateral inversion means left and right sides are reversed in a mirror image. For example, when we raise our right hand, the image in the plane mirror appears to raise its left hand. Question number 13. Explain an activity 10.6 to observe reflection from different mirrors. Answer. Collect a plane mirror, concave mirror, convex mirror, torch, comb and mirror stand. Use a comb with many openings to produce multiple parallel beams of light. Allow these beams to fall on a plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror one by one. Observe the reflected beams. Plane mirror reflect beams remain parallel. Concave mirror reflected beams converge. Convex mirror reflect beams diverge. Question number 14. Why do concave and convex mirror behave differently from plane mirrors? Answer. Concave and convex mirror have a curved reflecting surface. So parallel rays of light either converge or diverge after reflection, but a plane mirror has a flat surface. But a plane mirror has a flat surface, so the reflected rays remain parallel. Question number 15. Write three observations from activity 10.6. Answer. In a plane mirror, reflected rays remain parallel. In a concave mirror, reflected rays converge. In a convex mirror, reflected rays diverge. Question number 16. Explain activity 10.7 showing the converging nature of a concave mirror. Answer. Take a concave mirror and a sheet of thin paper. Hold the mirror facing the sun. Reflect sunlight from the mirror onto the paper. Adjust the distance until a bright spot appears. After some time, the paper may start burning because the sunlight is concentrated at one point. Question number 17. What are solar concentrators? Explain their uses. Answer. Solar concentrators are devices that focus sunlight into a small or using mirrors or lenses. They produce high heat energy. They are used for cooking, producing steam to generate electricity and in solar furnaces. Question number 18. Explain the activity that demonstrates how a water drop acts like lenses. Place a drop of water on a glass or plastic strip. Keep a paper with the printed text under it. Look at the letters through a water drop. The letters appear larger. This shows that a curved water drop acts like a simple lens. Question number 19. Explain activity 10.9 to observe images through lenses. Take a convex lens and place it in lens holder. Keep a small object behind the lens. Observe the object through the lens. Move the object farther away and observe the changes in the image. Repeat the activity using concave lens and compare the images formed. Question number 20. Explain activity 10.10 showing the behavior of light through lenses. Answer. Arrange a torch comb to produce multiple parallel beams of light. Place a thin glass plate, convex lens and convex legs one by one in the path of light. Observe how the light beams behave. The convex lens converges the beam while the concave lens spread them apart. Question number 21. Write three uses of lens. Answer. Eyeglasses for correcting vision, cameras for taking photograph, telescopes and microscopes for observing distance or tiny objects. That's all. 1 mark, 2 mark and 3 mark question and answer gets over. If you want more videos, like, share and subscribe Chem Free Tutorial. Thank you.